Mm. Hello everyone. Today I learned some vocabulary about the food, milk, and vegetable. So I decided to practice my English speaking with a topic: how to make pizza at home with air fryer. It's quickly, easy, and perfect for a busy day. The first we need prepare the ingredient. Pizza pie. I don't know how to make it, so I prefer to buy at a bakery near my home. Tomato to make pizza sauce. Them by I just make it by myself. The topping, squid, cream, and sauces. And vegetable. I usually prepare onion, bell pepper, and I special like put pineapple because it's sweet and a little bit sour flavor. And cheese is don't need cheese. Cheese cheese. As preparation, I make the first thing I make a pizza sauce with tomato. Then I spread sauce evenly in the and on top pizza pie, and then I add uh my topping. I usually add squid, a scrimp, and sauces, and lastly I put onions and pineapple and the cheese, and then um, and then I put I place the pizza into the air fryer and set 180 degree and in a and cook it for eight from for 8 or to 10 minutes. Mm. And then I check pizza after 8 minutes. The cheese should be melted and the curd should be golden brown. So I uh, I will I will when the pizza be ready, I will bring out its air fryer. You should carefully about the pizza is so hot. So it look the pizza is a result. It look the pizza is crispy outside and sharp inside. Uh, I usually make pizza in the at the weekend or when I don't have time uh, don't have time to cook. It's a simple and fast and convenient. I take about 1 hour to make it. Everyone can um everyone can do it. The few ingredient in ingredient ingredient. I highly recommend try it by yourself. Um, you will make you will make your children happy and excited in it. My son he really like to eat my uh, pizza made myself. Uh, I hope you it's the I hope you can try to make pizza at home in the next time. Goodbye.